Hello everyone, this is Sai Teja. I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. Today I'm going to present you the task 1, which is prediction using supervised machine learning. So the objective of the task is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours per day. So the first thing that we do is importing all the required libraries. I've imported NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization, and sklearn for machine learning algorithms. So next thing is that we read the data from the remote link which was provided. We see that there are only two columns which are hours and scores, and next I have checked for the null values. So here we can see that there are no null values present in the data, so we can go ahead and look for some more basic information of the data, like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum, data type of the data, and etc. So the next thing is that I've plotted the data. So it is always better to plot the data to get in-depth understanding of the data. So here I've kept the hours as the x-axis and percentage as the y-axis. And looking at the figure, we can say that there is a positive linear relation between hours and the percentage. So the next thing is that I've prepared the data. I've splitted the data into two parts, which are 80% of the data would be used for training the model, and the remaining 20% would be used to test the model. So I've done this using the train test split method, and now it's the time to train our algorithm. So I've used a linear regression model and tried fitting it using the train data. Once the training is completed, I have plotted the regression line along with the data once again, so that we can have a look at the data along with the regression line. So after that, it's time for making predictions. So using the test data, we can predict the scores. And I've also compared the actual and predicted scores for the test data. So over here we can see that if the student studies for 1.5 hours, the actual score would be 20, and our predicted score is nearly 16.8. Yeah, now coming to the main question, what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day? So the answer turned out to be 93.691. So the score would be 93.69 if the student studies for 9.25 hours. So the final step would be evaluating the model that we have created. So for evaluation purpose, I've used two metrics here, so which are mean absolute error and R square score. So in this scenario, we have the mean absolute error as 4.183, which is minimum, and the R squared score is 0.94, so which is again a great score. So the best score would be 1, and so in this case it is 0.94, nearly to 1. So with this metrics, we can conclude that we have a good model that is predicting our scores. Thank you.